Welcome to the Snapshot tutorial for Transparent Tennessee's Performance Management Dashboard. Now, there are many ways you could filter on this view. One is by simply clicking on a status and the list updates down below. Another is by going to the upper right-hand corner, opening up the filter menu where you can filter by fiscal year, department, or governor's priority. You can also filter by keyword search here. If you want to see the goals associated with KPIs, go to the bottom right-hand corner, view key operational goals, and then you can go to the upper right hand corner and filter by a department. Brings up the goals. When you click on the goals, it filters the list down below. If you wanted to see the strategic side of the dashboard, close up your filter menu and go to view strategic initiatives, where you have much the same filter options. You can view the strategic initiatives associated with the milestones here. And when you do that, the same filter options that you saw on the operational side. Thanks so much for watching.